Hello guys, this topic says what is the database for administrator and what do they do all day. For the virtual database inform administrator is a technical skill, is a SQL and a very large database who is responsibilities for this maintaining database softwares, backups and recovery process, data security and store and capability is planning. For let's start at in an era that process increasing important on data. The rules of database administrator has never been more critical as business continue to rely on database for decisions making. The DA and the individual guidance and the facilities are database and but what exactly does not on the day by day. These are the indispensable and business. The primary responsibilities of a database integrity, ensuring the data as an organization realizing on the insight or decisions is acquired, consist and eligibility. However, beyond this is a candidate rules. The database administrator works manufactured ranging from system installing and backup recovery to performance tuning and security is a protocol. Here is a list of skilled database admin who is actually tracks for perform situation data. What a key skill is a should database administrator have. And database administrator require several different skills to become fully proficient in a lot of cases. BA can starting as a planning. SQL and others. This is a programming language. A deep understanding of SQL, understanding language of database management and administrator is a fundamental skill for any database administrator to really excel. Proficiency is a programming language such as Python and Java required, especially to deal with tasks like automation, analytics, and integrations with other software systems. Managing very large database. Managing very large database involves the expertise in managing operations that are of potential time the consumer, such as table copy. Database admin deals with understanding technology like table partition training. Oracle is a federal and database skill or reapplication to enable to database to scale to large size while it is still being managing database ability. These data, especially for websites, database often used to be individual available constantly. Managing a database in this environment require understanding of which of maintaining. Thank you for watching.